Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You are now tuned into Life with Jessie Rae, and I am Jessie Rae.
I'm all in, no quitting, I'm all in, steady flipping, I'm all in, we gon' get it, I'm all in, to the ceiling, I'm all in, no quitting, I'm all in, steady flipping, I'm all in, we gon' get it, I'm all in, to the ceiling.
So as you can see by the title, in today's video I am doing my, you turn that the right way first. I'm doing my unboxing for Boxycharm's Base Box subscription, and that is a $25 subscription, y'all. So per usual, I've already went ahead and popped the seal on here. So let's just go ahead and see what this baby look like. Alright, so of course you open it up and they got it all nicely packaged. Do y'all see that? So gorgeous. So gorgeous. And it's fall, so I expected something like this. So this month's theme is Harvest. And this card, of course, y'all, it comes with all of the items in detail, and it also gives you the price of the product that's in here. So you actually get like an overall total, and I will tell y'all that at the end. Alright, so first thing is this yensa pumpkin turmeric 2-in-1 radiance polishing mask. And y'all, you know, it's crazy, like I have been like searching on YouTube myself for like different types of turmeric masks to do and try for my skin, so this will definitely come in handy. So it's got 8 superfoods in here. It's got pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, and orange. So definitely gonna give this a try because I've been searching on YouTube for turmeric masks. So definitely gonna try this one out, and I'll let y'all know how it work out. All right, so you know I could open it, right, y'all? Let's see what it looked like. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Okay, y'all, excuse my nails. I polished them 2 days ago with the intent of them lasting at least 3 days, and it didn't work. Alright, so the next thing I got is this, I want to say Jekka Black liquid corrector. Can y'all see that? Okay. It's a liquid corrector, offers a light coverage and corrects under eye darkness. Apply under the eye with a small brush or fingertips. Can be used alone or before applying concealer. And that's what it looks like, y'all. You take it out of the pack. Alright, so next is this Gimme Brow here. This is by Benefit. It is, I think this is a shade 4. I guess that's what the 4 on top of here means, if I'm not mistaken. This is supposed to make your brows look 94% thicker than what they are. Y'all, does it look like I need thicker eyebrows? Y'all let me know down in the comments. Alright, so next I got this Natasha denona. Oh, y'all, this is a palette. Okay, come through Boxycharm. Alright, y'all, so, oh my god, y'all, this is gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. Alright, these are the shades. Isn't it gorgeous, y'all? Look at that. Super pretty. Super fall. Like, this is perfect for this season right now, y'all. So gorgeous. I cannot wait to try these out. Alright, it came in this little cardboard box here, so fancy schmancy. Thing must gotta be protected. But it's like a little padded box, y'all, so. Alright, and the last thing I got in here is this Volition Snow Mushroom Water Serum. this looks gorgeous. Alright, y'all. And this is the bottle it comes in. Alright, it says it hydrates and helps improve moisture retention, minimizes the appearance of pores and redness, helps minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and improves the overall appearance of skin and texture. Y'all, and I do apologize for the noise in the background. That is my puppy. He is in his kennel because he got in trouble yesterday because he bit through his harness. So now when we take him outside, we got to put on I don't even know how he went to the bathroom last night because I didn't take him out. But anyway, and before we hop off of here, the overall total for this box was $159, y'all. I paid $26.70 plus tax for this box. So when I say it's worth it, it is well worth it. Don't sleep on Boxycharm, y'all. I've been getting Boxycharm since April of 2020, and every single month, with the exception of one, I have gotten an eyeshadow palette, y'all. So definitely try it out. I will leave my link down in the description box. Even if you just want to try out Boxycharm and just, you know, maybe check out some makeup on their site, I will leave my code down below so you can use it at checkout as well. And if you do use my link or my code down below, guys, I will get a couple extra charms with Boxycharm if you guys do use my code or my link. So totally up to you guys. You don't have to, but it's down there. So that is all I have for this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox my November Boxycharm subscription, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Bye.